Hey ladies and gentlemen, quick wristwatch check, a Seamaster 200 pre-bond in quartz. Love this watch, it's my daily wearer and will always be with me. So I already got started on the unboxing. I had cut this open, I'm pulling the contents out, and my phone rang, which then cut off the video. So that sucks. So let's continue on here. Not that you saw this earlier, but what is inside here is the culmination of a dream. This is about how far I got, so let's try to do this nice and easy. This is the culmination of a dream. I've had one particular Grail watch for many years. Yes, this is a Red Bull down here. Congratulations to me. I've had this Grail watch for a long time. And like many of you, I was very disappointed when Rolex discontinued it. And I figured, that's going to be it. I'm never going to get that watch. I'm not going to pay gray market prices. I am not a multi-millionaire. I don't have that kind of money. And it pays to be nice to people. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. That's a little bit better. Yeah. It pays to be nice to people. Always be nice to people. It's good to have friends. And a friend really came through for me. He has become a dealer. He's been very successful. I am super duper happy for him. And he made the call earlier this year and says, Matt, if you want to get on the list, I will let you get on the list. And of course, I'm thinking, that is insane. That is impossible. How can you do that? How can you pull that off? He's like, I'll be able to pull it off. And he has. And I'm glad this was upside down. Let's see. Oh, yeah, glad that's upside down. That would be identifying information. All right. So let's pull this back. We have here the box. Let's get this out of the way. I have to tell you, I'm not going to wear this daily. This is going to be a special occasion watch. The only time I'm going to wear it this year will be Christmas Eve. That's it. It will then go into the safe, maybe even the safety deposit box, where it will come out next year for my 50th birthday. This is the kind of watch it's going to be. I'm sure you can guess what it is. It's probably in the title. There you go. Brand new Rolex GMT2, aka Batman. Wow. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way, just in case the serial number is visible. And I apologize for the low quality video. I'm taking this video, on an iPhone 6s Plus. Phew. Look at that beautiful watch. Now, the reason I'm not going to wear this all the time is, well, for obvious reasons. You have polished center links. And these polished center links are scratch magnets. So this is a watch that you frankly don't wear every day. You just don't. Why would you? That would be insane. So let's go ahead and do the first unclicking. And then I'm so paranoid about scratching it. There we go. And put it next to my pre-bond. Tell me that's not gorgeous. I know a lot of you got on me because I sold my Rolex Explorer 2. Like, you said you'd never sell it. Well, a lot happened in the year plus that I had that watch. And there's no question that the market went completely insane. It wasn't making sense anymore, and the fun was coming out of it. So I sold that watch. I turned in the lease on my Camry. I turned that car into Toyota. They wrote me a check for just about $3,000. I took that, plus thousands I had set aside for lease payments. I bought a second Mercedes, a 1991 350 STL. It's a classic diesel, and I now drive that daily. I don't have a car payment. And I set aside money for this. I set aside money for the Grail. And here it is. Sorry, my hands got paint. But here she is. I will do one more video on this here. I will go on Austin Daniels' live stream. And then I'm going to shut this channel down. I'm getting rid of it. I'm moving on. I will create a new channel, and it'll be dedicated to my two Mercedes-Benz with some watch videos. Okay, so I want to thank everyone that has been along for the ride, everyone that has encouraged me and been nice. It's been fun. It's been real. You know, I'm just in shock right now. What a beautiful, beautiful watch. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Hanukkah. Bye.